Hi guys, it's Jamie. So let's see how it turned out. I had this little savings challenge that I built, printed by Canva, and it just arrived today. So you're all going to get the same peek as I get. And we're going to open this up. And this may be the mock-up, or this may be the final one. I may have to go back and do some changes, but we are going to open it up and see how it looks all together. Let's see if we can pull it out. No, I'm actually going to have to rip the page. And look at that. Isn't that cute? That is so beautiful. Now, this is the front cover. This is the back cover. And I know some of the pages is going to have to be tweaked from what I've looked at on the planner stages of Canva. So, this is Welcome to Willow Creek. And actually the paper is really good. This is the layout. You'll meet Bandit, and it'll explain to you about Bandit. And then Bandit savings challenges. And then you'll meet Rudy and Gracie. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. And then Henrietta. Henrietta's collection. Oh my gosh, this turned out better than what I thought. Penny. Oh my Lord, this absolutely turned out great. Penny's budget binder, Save Around the Farm, Big Savings, Peaceful Porch, Meet Ben. Oh, that did turn out pretty good. That turned out pretty. It turned out better than what I thought it was going to. Meet Bella. Buzz through the meadow. Honey Savings. Molly, the cow, who is doing the stock up for your pantries, your freezers, your groceries, your garden, just whatever. How I love this one, the farmhouse supper. And then you meet Rusty. He's going to build a chicken coop, spruce up the farm. And then Tom the turkey. Tom's harvest. You can do this for Thanksgiving, Christmas dinners. And then he has a farmhouse feast. Rosie. Rosie goes through and sells everything to add to her emergency fund or whatever. Oh my gosh, this absolutely, look how beautiful this page is, so pretty. And then you meet Finn, who is on a debt-free journey. You have his little random trails that he takes through the forest. And then the key challenge. I think that's the last one. And then you have a savings tracker in the back. And then, uh-oh, wait a minute. You get to meet the farmer and his wife, Jake and Louise. These names came from my favorite uncle and aunt that I loved growing up. Spent many a summer vacations with them. And I just wanted to, how do you want to call it? I just wanted them to be a part of this journey that I'm on. And then you see you later, and then that will lead you into the next chapter. And there's another savings challenge on that. And then that. This one is not the next book that's coming out. The next book will be coming soon. So just wanted you all to meet the Willow Creek Farm Savings book. I hope y'all enjoyed this short little unveiling of what I am making, and hopefully I might put it up on Etsy, or I might not. If I do, it'll be like pre-ordered. Be a while, you know. I'm still thinking about this decision. Let me know, guys. What do you think about this little farm book I came up with? Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye, guys.